Fat Cats and Friends. Tiffany here. Just had a shower after a long day of the sun, and I had my sunscreen SPF 25, and it did really well out there. I did a water aerobics class, and everything did really good. I could feel that I got some sun, but I didn't absorb or burn at all. I have in here 10 little milliliter bottles, 4 of them, of the actual after sun regimen. I actually wanted to go through it with you. So I actually also have fake eyelashes. So I'm going to go through the Lovely Lashes eye wash, face wash, and the whole regimen with you, okay, really quickly. I'll even fast forward if I need to. Lovely Lashes, non-burning, okay? I'm just going to go ahead and put the soap directly in my eye along with the lash because I have makeup from underneath. So it's a good shampoo for the eyes, the eyebrows, and it doesn't burn, okay? So I'm just gonna give myself a little eye wash. It's great for mascara removal, extra makeup, and the latter, okay? So I'm just gonna put this in, and you're gonna watch me open my eyes, okay? And what I forgot was, real quick, a little makeup pad remover. These are a great way to press. Okay. It really does help when you read the directions. It's a lot faster. I'm learning that in my ears. Okay, so I'm going to use just a makeup remover cloth and just remove the excess. Okay, even though I did the shampoo on the eye. Okay, I'm going to give it a couple minutes before I pull off or attempt to pull off the eyelash. I just don't need to pull on the lash. It's already coming off. Okay, just like so. So many different ways you can remove it. I've used the mascara brush. I've just pulled it off like that. Today, I'm just doing then I'm going to put them in my tray and I'll wash them. These can definitely be used again. That's going to be good. And I'm just going to use a wipe today because I'm still going to wash the face. Okay, so I have the mascaras gone, I did the excess thing, and I washed my eyelids and my eyebrows. Now, I want to actually wash my face again, just because I wanted to show this is the body wash, okay? Face and body wash, but it has the little beads in it, the jojoba beads that I wanted to just give a deep cleanse to the product because I used the sunscreen lotion SPF. Okay, and they're like little tiny little beads. It's not too harsh at all, especially after sun drenched skin. Not too harsh, but definitely removing the product. In the shower I had, I did not wash my face. I just washed my body and rinsed. So whatever residue from the hair rinsed into my face. Okay, like that, real simple rinse. Another product that is burn free of the eyes, so I don't have to worry about it burning my eyes. Okay, that was the wash. That was the face and body wash. You can see how the stimulation of the beads already went into my face. You can see how it got rosy. Now I'm going to use the green serum. The green serum, I want a deeper cleanse. And I want it to set with the witch hazel. And I'm going to do it everywhere. Okay. Now, normally this would be when, with the serum, I'm going to let it sit for a few minutes, about 5 minutes. This would be the time if off camera, if I wanted to trim my nose hairs or pluck my eyebrows or do something around or something I need to poke at. I have a pimple that came through, so I have nothing to do with it. But whatever I needed to do like that, I would do while this is setting, okay? Then I'm actually going to take my towel warm and just do a warm wipe. Okay, about 5 minutes. That's all you need to do. Okay. Then I'm going to go in, now I'm going to do my set. I will let it dry. Let the face dry. I would fan it, do certain things. Other cultures will literally smack themselves. Let it dry, fan. Bring the collagen in, you know, just kind of bring the circulation. Okay, now I'm going to go into the eye serum that I want around the eyes for the fine line and the puffiness. This I'm going to leave on, okay? I'm going to go around just to kind of cover. I am going to cover my eyelids. It hasn't burned my eyes yet. Sometimes I do get little crusties in my sleep, you know, the morning sleep. That's okay. Product wasn't in my eye. And I just simply wash my face in the morning. Okay, then I'm going to leave that around the eye, let that dry. But I'm going to do the vitamin C around the eye. And again, this is the hydrating. Both of these have hyaluronic acid, but the vitamin C is ascorbic acid. It goes in, it smells good with the lavender hydrosol. The blueberry eyes has a neroli hydrosol. Vitamin C has actually lavender hydrosol, and the spirulina has rose hydrosol. One is somewhere around there. And now I'm just going to leave that on. If I wanted to enhance it, I could roll it. It's like basically putting a steamroller over your face if it's cold. Just presses that product in really nicely. And then leave it on for the night. Watch your skin glow. You feel better. You already look brighter. It already feels good. You got the circulation in the face and da-da-da. And that's how you use the Fat Cat Skincare Serum After Sun Care, right? You use the spirulina for the cleanse. You use the blueberry eyes around the eyes, and you use the vitamin C around the face and the dark spots and everything else after a day of sun play. This removes the makeup, the lovely eyes and your fake eyelashes, but most importantly, it helps your eyelashes and eyebrows grow. Could help your beard too. And this is the SPF lotion in smaller sizes and the larger sizes for the body wash. That's it. More instructions coming out soon. Very easy to use and affordable for the whole family. That's how it's done. After Sun Care with Fat Cat Skincare. Have a good one. Bye.